Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, I want to talk to you about a problem we solved here for Orbot users at Excellent Supply. Stay tuned to find out more. Here's a situation that's developed with Orbot. Orbot has made great orbital scrubbers for years. However, in the past year or so, there's been a lot of issues with availability of machines and parts. We saw this problem and we decided to take it head on and try to come up with a solution for our customers, because we don't want people caught holding the bag, needing things for their Orbot machine. Now, on the Orbot driver, the VELCRO driver, the entire drive unit is a fairly expensive item. The drive block, the entire drive block for the Orbot, whether it's the Sprayborg or the Orbot Vibe, sells for $367. That's the entire driver assembly with the VELCRO plate on the surface of it. Now, they went ahead and they designed a replacement where you could just replace the VELCRO portion. The VELCRO part of it is $156.50. And that's great because the VELCRO wears out. As you tear bonnets off, and just the vibration of the machine will eventually wear out the VELCRO driver plate. So for years, we were able to replace those driver plates, just the VELCRO portion, for $156.50. So a typical Orbot user would systematically need to replace that on an ongoing basis, kind of looking at that as a consumable. But here's the problem. What happens when Orbot seems to go off the grid with availability for that very necessary piece to keep those machines running? So we've got customers out there now that have got Orbot machines that can't get driver plates. So what we did here at Excellent Supply is we went and we designed a driver on our own. It looks like this, and there's the backing of it. Okay? So we worked to develop this setup with a driver block, and the great thing about it is that it's not terribly expensive. Rather than $367 for the Orbot version, our Excellent Supply version costs $214.91 current price today, 2026. So there it is, front and back. It comes with these bolts to bolt it onto your Orbot machine. So for $214.91, $215, you've got the complete unit. However, like the Orbot driver plate, the VELCRO will eventually wear out. The harpoons that are on here will wear out. So what we have is just the backer, and like the Orbot driver, the VELCRO does also still wear out. That's the nature of VELCRO. As you run the machine, as you pull bonnets on and off or pads on and off, you're going to eventually wear out the VELCRO. So we came up with a solution as well. Since we've engineered this entire thing, we have just the backer available. So here's the backer. The backer is just the backer without the additional metal component that we engineered to fit onto the backer. So when you need to buy just the backer, in other words, to replace your VELCRO, we have this item available. It's just $118. Now remember, Orbot sold theirs for $156.50 for their VELCRO. Ours is $118, so it's cheaper. It's going to hold up well. In fact, we've gotten some good feedback on this unit, this entire unit. Carpet cleaners tell us that it feels more balanced on the carpet when they scrub with this. It just has a better feel when it connects. However, like I said, eventually the VELCRO will need to be replaced. The little nubs wear out over time, and you will need to replace the backer, just like we did with the Orbot design. You had to replace the VELCRO. So it's just a great way that we've enabled our customers to keep those machines running, because let's face it, the VELCRO backer plates are apparently not available through Orbot anymore, and this solution helps our customers to be able to keep their machines running. It's just one more way we want to help you max your end cap and get the best life out of your equipment. Reach out to us if you have any questions about your machines, or if we can help you in any way. We want to thank you for watching this episode. Give us a thumbs up if you would, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.